Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Jerlyn Agamata Ramel, 39 years old, married with 2 children, ages 12 years old and 2 years old. I'm living at Zone 7, San Lorenzo, City of Ilagan, Isabela, Philippines. I have one brother and one sister. I am second child in the family. I am a college graduate. I took computer programming and I also took caregiving, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I have work experience here in Philippines for 4 years. I serve one couple and 2 children, ages 5 years old and 2 years old. I do all household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, laundry. And my main duty is taking care of the children, sir.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always securing the safety of the children. If the children is sick, I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call my employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, responsible, honest, and trustworthy, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir. I'm cesarean 2 years ago, sir.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to provide the needs of my family, especially my child, and to be financially stable in the future, sir.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband, my parents, and my in-laws, sir.
If you feel homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work and always remind to myself that I need this work for my family.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 o'clock in p.m. and I wake up around 5 a.m. sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I will willing to extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. Please choose me as your housemate because I'm hardworking, responsible, honest, and trustworthy. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you, sir, and good day.
Okay.